and welcome to Sidemen Hide and Seek. We are on board the MSC Bellissima, a brand new cruise ship. We are the first boat on it ever. We're doing hide and seek on it on 2 floors, 16 and 17. The boat's massive, that's why we're only doing 2 floors.
$1 billion boat.
15 and 16, luckily they told me that. It's a $1 billion boat, as he just said. And yeah, they're gonna go run away.
You're screwed. I wish you the best of luck, brother.
I think it's the hardest one ever.
I'm out to my cabin right now.
I'm gonna walk.
Like, give us.
So I'll give him 100 seconds, yeah?
What, 100 seconds?
Yeah, exactly.
Well, I'll be.
If I've got a long way to go, 1, 2,
Even.
4.
Oh! I know where I'm going. Power walk, bro. Oh, get that wiggle! Yo! A few days of fitness fed. So me and Harry, we're going gym. Hey, it says walkers right. Okay, power walk, Simon. Give us power walk. Ooh.
I'm going toilet.
Why did you not go to the toilet before? Honestly, this boat's so massive. We can walk around. We can go on a tour. We can tour the whole boat.
So, welcome aboard. We're currently in Nantes. We're waiting to go on the first voyage of this boat ever. We're the first boat on it. First to use everything on the boat. So it's a huge privilege. So shout out to MSC for doing that for us. They invited us to come and actually do the hide and seek on the cruise ship. So big shout out to them.
What floor are we on right now? 16. I'm going down the floor.
Get in the boat.
Why am I so black?
If you hold it higher up, does that help?
Oh yeah, that works, that works.
The only thing I have on them is that I've been on cruise ships like 10, 11 times in my life, and no one else has been on a cruise ship ever. So, slight advantage.
Oh yeah, lovely. Oh, they've got the, oh yes, they've got the cross trainers. Yeah.
Me and Toby are going to head down the floor. Ethan and Harry
Going down the floor.
they go to the gym.
Nice.
My workout so far.
There's a women's toilet. I'm disabled. Probably doesn't.
What are you trying to say?
61, 65.
Look at this. Workout. No. So here's my workout so far. 3 maps. Let's get this up. Get a few maps in. That's so obvious.
Do we know how long? Alright, bro, I might be good.
Is that?
Yo, I might be good.
Oh,
Look.
look at his squat.
I got a fan on me too.
78, 79.
Okay, we can't waste a spot on 2 people. Sam, I'm gonna have to love you and leave you.
I feel like someone's gonna just.
Text me if your battery's low.
Okay, I feel like I've literally just got. Look at this. Look at my setup.
You're winning.
Okay.
I haven't got time, so bye.
Okay, good luck.
Love you.
Harry and Ethan are probably going to try and hide in the gym.
While working out.
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's an angle. Now that's an angle. I'm in the blue zone. I'm in the blue. I don't think he'll come here straight away. No.
87, 88.
I'm now alone. I can go down the floor.
This is men's toilets around here.
How do you know where everything is?
Because I'm a genius. There you go. Alright, I'll be around here.
Right. Oh, look at these toilets. Very nice. Let's hope no one's in. Yeah. Oh.
93. Ah, screw it.
Look how much space there is.
My worry is someone's gonna come in here that like works here or something. Just tells me off because I'm kind of behind a machine right now.
My options are limited. It's not looking good. It's not looking good.
Come out, wherever you are. Right, now, let's take this seriously.
So fresh, so clean. Alright, let's lock this. Okay. Yeah, nice. Okay.
Oh no, this is gonna be awful. Okay.
Oh, well, I'm gonna get found. If I ain't got you.
There's this staircase here. I think people go up that. Okay, this is the kids' club. I should get out of it. There's not a place to be hanging around.
Honestly, this is actually my favourite hide and seek video ever because it's just impossibly hard for the seeker. Like, I'm not even concerned. The only lines of sight, he has to walk down that side or that side. We could spot him from here and just run.
Green zone.
Someone's playing this machine. Someone's literally playing the machine I'm standing behind.
Give me clues.
I don't know. I haven't seen anyone.
I said clues.
Okay.
You do know something. I can see it in your eyes.
I can't can't say.
Look, you see his eyes? His eyes.
I'll just say, look this way.
Oh no.
I've got a feeling they were. I'm pretty sure I saw Harry and Ethan working out, and they just stopped. They just stopped. I think they're just doing their fitness February. So we'll leave them for a bit.
There he is. Look at him. Look at him. We're spotting him. So where do we go now? Away from him?
Maybe they'll move. I think instead of playing hide and seek, they're just working out. Okay.
So we're gonna go elsewhere.
Oh, they're running Windows 10.
Lovely.
Just sucking at life right now. One of these machines could be my savior. Yes. Yes. I found my spot.
Oh, I'm just sitting on the lookout.
Right, this place has an arcade. It's got a football pitch. We've got bass. He almost found us. Almost saw us. Almost. He almost found us. Almost.
Ethan and Harry just walked by.
Oh no, he's coming, he's actually coming, he's actually coming, he's actually coming. He's coming down this. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I actually just saw him, I just scoped him. I need to text JJ.
Whoa, you didn't see that? Come on then. Oh. Oh!
Oh, I'm kind of trapped here. Oh snap. Shiz. JJ's not picking up, he might be found. I should have gone into the toilet, what was I thinking? JJ's my squad member.
Oh, why have I been signed up for this? Of all hide and seeks.
I think Vic has left me. I mean, I was there for quite a while. So, where are we gonna go? I do not know. I do not know where we're going to go. Where could I hide?
How are you getting on?
Yeah, good. Just need to find a place to hide now.
I don't want to get caught first. Because then I have to walk around with him and get triggered. And not be able to find anyone else.
I've really screwed myself here.
Oh my god, Josh was there. Josh was there. Josh just walked that way. Oh my god, that guy just opened the door and I just saw Josh is walking that way. Oh my god, I thought that was Josh opening the door.
Fam, I don't know where to freaking hide. Could hide in the buffet and just start eating.
Well, yeah, JJ wasn't with us, so I assume JJ's fine. Somehow, that was so close.
No one's gonna think I'm there. Plus, I get to eat food.
Vaseline. Gotta keep the lips in check. Mini cocoa butter. Perfect for travelling because it's under 100 mils. That's Toby's guide to hide and seek.
Jesus, look at the size of these grapes.
Okay, so now I'm walking into the buffet restaurant. Surely they're not in here.
Alright, this is... Yeah, help me out, man. Thank you, bro.
Surely.
Sweet.
This place just to be busy and easy.
Oh, damn.
Well, if they're in there, I don't know. People are eating. I don't want to be filming people eating, so I don't know how I'm going to go find them in there. Wait. That's Ethan. Ethan's down the corridor. Just run off.
We've lost the right, lost the right, lost the right, lost the right.
No way we're on cruise ships. You think I know we're on cruise ships? I know we're on cruise ships. You can't be doing this to me. You can't be doing this to me. You think I know where I'm going to go in?
Oh, I thought he was going to come this way.
I know way around, you know.
God damn.
Oh, this is impossible, by the way.
Yeah. Just so you know, now that you found me, Toby did text me saying we walked past him. However, I don't know where it was.
We walked past him.
Yeah.
But like, so I went around the buffet, everyone's eating, so I'm like, it's a bit awkward.
God, I love my life.
Imagine you just walk. There's a guy with a camera.
It's like, I kind of doing this a lot.
Vic's nearly been got twice. Medals. And here you can see my most used emojis. I really want a cuddly toy. If they find me, I'm gonna get him to try and win me one.
Vic has just said he's going to try and make it here.
I just got a text from Simon. He says he's hiding in the arcade behind the last machine. It's through the middle of there. I've got to be super careful. I'm super obvious and vulnerable out here.
My chest. I just realised I don't know where my passport is.
That leaves Vic, who'll be in somewhere a little small.
With who? Simon and
I saw
Toby.
Bath.
Simon and Toby went together. But I don't know if they're still together. That's London Bridge. That.
Okay.
Okay, so
Can you see in this?
it is annoying how it's tinted. I'm not gonna lie. This might be the most impossible hide and seek we've ever done.
I've got two of you.
You've got to, yeah.
No,
They can't be hiding in a buffet.
I might get more pizza, you know? Pizza's quite nice. And I normally don't like pizza, you know? you know? How many times can I say you know? You know?
I'm such an idiot. I can't believe that my camera just stopped recording. But okay, Josh and Ethan and Harry were there. I walked up to here, so I walked out of there. I walked up to here. I saw them down there. I turned, I ran. I hid down in this corner here. They walked across that bridge. They were stood over there, literally just over there.
There's people looking at us like we're freaks.
I know, that's exactly what I mean. That was the point I was saying.
Yeah, it's quite funny. I reckon it's the gym. Do you reckon? I reckon someone's gone to the gym. In the gym.
Oh, those boots to the gym.
So Harry, this is where I was going to say, look. So see here, look. Oh, that was a great shout. Yeah, it's a good spot, right?
Yeah, then you would pretty well got like that got.
Yeah.
How many foot you're trying to break into the thing? Hello?
Hello, David.
No.
Okay.
People.
So Ethan just saw me and he didn't snitch. But he told Harry.
Hiding behind arcades could be a bit.
Leave it what? A shout?
Yeah, because I was going to do it. Yeah, I mean, if anyone wants to do it, it'd be a great idea. Hence me.
My chest.
Okay, I need to get the arcade. I'm coming now. Okay, well, if I'm staying here, I need to hide. What? You're here? I came and checked on you. Bro, oh my god, you're behind the machine. Gas. Okay, literally, I have seen Josh and run from him 3 times. You've run 3 times.
Am I allowed another pizza? Oh my god. Look at this. Jesus.
I'm stressing that. Literally, if you go on the outdoor walkways, they're so long.
Yeah.
That once you go on them, like, there's a 50% chance you're gonna see one of them.
Bro, I've been here and people have been playing this machine.
A bit of this.
They run ahead of
Come
me.
on, you haven't been there yet? Yeah, it's where I caught you.
He knows this. Wait, where's he gone? Oh. Is he just heading again?
Just run up.
I can't believe what he's just done.
I think you get back to the gym, surely.
No.
I'm waiting for the right moment to change hiding spot because I don't want to give any old people a heart attack.
Toby, I've come to re-hide with you.
Why are you re-hiding?
Because I can't be asked to seek it, it's long.
I was just going to change spot.
If he's just managed to escape us, yeah, that was the smoothest thing I've ever seen in my life. Bro, that is wild, John.
This is the worst. I don't like this one.
We just got mugged up so bad.
I just want friends.
I'm literally the smartest Sidemen. Why would you check a buffet? No one's gonna want to eat while hiding. Meanwhile, there's just me just chilling like.
So it's me, you, Toby, and JJ.
This was the worst idea we've ever had, by the way. How did Harry do that to us?
I didn't think he would. I didn't care. And he
Found me by accident, and then Harry ditched them to hide with me when they went. So now Harry's here next to me, and we're gonna try and get everyone behind these machines because there's bare space for all of us.
Look, that's where he is. Is that here? No, I think it's the one next to it.
Should we go and see him? We've got to go and see him.
Toby said he's hiding here.
I'll go and I'll let you know how.
Okay.
Are they behind me? Sure, we're not. Jesus Christ! Chill. I'm friendly.
Why did we think doing a hide and seek? Look at it!
There's too many people around.
Look at it!
Should we do a big squad conversion?
I think we should have a big foot first.
Okay, there's some decent stuff at the front of the boat where I was hiding.
Toby has basically told me that he's trying to get as many people as possible in his hiding spot.
Check the coast is clear first. This is gonna look so weird.
Shit, put me in the front.
Wait, and you looked at him twice? You sure you didn't hide behind it? You sure you didn't hide behind the arcade, did you? No, sure he didn't. Fam!
I want to know why it's me.
So you must have been with me at the time.
Huh?
You must have been with me at the time.
He's walking out now.
Sit down.
Fuck! Hello?
Oh! Wait, there's one in here?
Hello?
Oh!
Hold on. Alright, I got spots. Ethan went. It was your job to
Ethan went
from
in there, and look, honestly,
I don't think
Ethan
anyone
comes
can
here.
fit here.
Ethan comes here, and
Yeah.
he goes like this. He goes here like this. Shit, just pull the wire out, and then he looks, and I make
Yes.
eye contact with him here.
No.
I made eye
It's dark
contact,
in there,
and as soon as I did that, I went, jumped out.
Yo, I got a sick chill spot. Come through. Fix the vlog. The hide is in.
I am stunned. Yo, I can just sleep, you know. I'll be back in 5 minutes.
I wanted it to be someone, there wasn't.
Huh. Well, just so you know, I saw Toby here earlier and I didn't tell you.
You realise? Let me just explain what happened to you guys.
There's kids. That's not film kids.
You looked behind here, saw Toby.
Yes.
You didn't know.
Yeah.
You then walked off. Harry left you guys and hid with Toby.
Thought that would happen.
Vic then left me, came and hid with these guys here, and now they've all moved.
You're a fucking liability. You're supposed to sit on my team.
I have been found, team. I have been found, and they literally have just looked behind the claw machine now, and I am very confused. So
I did Toby a good though.
any little hints? Where we were.
Oh yes, boys. We got away by literally milliseconds.
Well played. Well, tell them we're not going to give them a hint of we're being pricks.
Yeah.
Yeah, send that.
Toby said, nope, we're being pricks. That's Harry. Harry's got his phone.
Our hiding spot is now in the cacti.
I wonder if Daniel's just gone back to his room.
They wouldn't surprise me. They wouldn't. If he's messed up like that though, he's Seeker forever.
Was there places to hide there?
No, you can just go on the crossroad.
What about, have we checked these hot tubs?
No.
Just having a quick check. If you hide in there, then you're mad.
It's also kind of dusty, you know.
If they're in there, they can stay there because it's dirty. Wait. Yo, I got found. Give us a clue. Give us a clue where you are. They've already looked behind the thing where you were. So, I said, no, we're being pricks.
Oh, cactus,
he said,
cactus.
He said that's a clue.
Yeah, I know where cactuses are. Yeah, pricks.
Through here, yeah?
Yeah.
Look, this is Cactus City.
Oh, they're there. To the cactus? Oh, no. Okay, this is they. No, they're going to sit there across. Okay, they just come in.
That's the bear.
Okay, no, follow me, boys, we've got to do it. Boys, follow me. Trust me. No, they can't see us. They can't. No, they're coming. Quick.
The boys have left me. I'm gonna get found. Cactus. I'm cornered. It's over for me. You can see me. No! I deserve better than this. I deserve better than this.
You deserve better than that. I didn't rat you out.
How are you gonna corner me? What is this?
What? I didn't rat you
One
out.
come from this side, one come from that side, one come from the ceiling.
Yeah.
Aha! Hey,
I didn't rat you out.
Yeah, you didn't. I appreciate that. Real G.
No,
This is not a real G.
Harry and Vic were here like 10 seconds ago.
Which way did they? You're on our team now.
They dashed that way.
Let's go.
We try and so you want to try and get past under them, and to the front, the back of the boat.
Yeah.
Let's get some legs on it. Freedom.
Literally, we saw you coming through the doors and they ducked out.
I reckon they went in the lift.
I've helped you as much as I can without being a snitch. Well, I couldn't even snitch anyway if I wanted to, because I don't have any information to snitch.
How is JJ going to win this? Because he's still, isn't it? He's definitely still in the toilet the whole time.
We refuse to film in the toilet.
I think I've got an upset tummy. I could go.
We said it's not done. I think we're the last two. I don't know. No, JJ wasn't with them. I reckon JJ's cheating. I reckon JJ's not following the rules.
Apparently you've nearly found him like 3 times.
Yeah, he's told me that.
How do you know your way around this cruise ship so well already? I have no idea where we're going.
Clues?
I would say go somewhere there.
Somewhere there. Buffet.
Oh, well,
You get a little towel.
it's a bit hot, but I've been running around.
It's the whole buffet. You can be anywhere in here. wait, Josh, stop here. Josh, stop here. That desk. So, look at me, everyone look at me. Sleep on that desk. JJ is asleep on that desk.
Asleep. This kid is something else.
He is asleep
He's
on his
something
desk. Who
else.
said he'd be asleep?
Let's scare him.
Wait, Josh, scare him.
Well, I think we caught someone.
In the buffet. Bro, he's been eating bread and cheese.
This is JJ's perception of effort for a Sidemen video.
How is he hiding? You've been bulking again.
How is he hiding?
Bro, I thought it'd be a great place to hide.
Yeah, it's eating.
Alright, well, you found me, bitches.
Just sit there and eat food.
Wait, let me message Vic. Yo, we just found JJ, so Vic, you've officially won. Can you let us know a clue for your hiding place, please?
Hang on.
I'm getting a clue from
Can we
Vic.
switch on Vic then?
I'm getting a clue from Vic.
Can we switch on it? Can we just go somewhere? Just chill.
What? Just forget about him.
Forget about Vic.
We're just gonna get drunk upstairs.
Oh my god.
This is what I was scared
Let's just do that.
Do we go get drinks upstairs?
Yes.
I say yes. I'm down.
Oh my god, he sent a picture of Harry in front of the crane.
The crane's there. Like,
we know where they are.
yeah.
They're literally just at the back of the boat.
Okay, so you guys, Con and Bass are gonna go tell them. This is really annoying. Con and Bass are gonna go tell them that we're coming round to find them, so they need to try and make it to the middle of the pool. You can also tell them that there's a safety thing in 10 minutes. So try and make it to the middle of the pool, and we're gonna watch from here.
We're in a rush. And be like, quick, they're coming, you guys need to go to the pool.
Gym is this way.
Yeah.
Let's go this way.
You know what love was?
Why are you not chilling? What do you mean? They're gonna come down. They know where you are because of the pictures. Oh, by the way, there's a safety brief alarm that's gonna go off any minute as well, so run.
We're done.
Look, trust us.
What's the point? I've already won. This is what's about to happen. What's about to happen?
I love you. He's gonna pick up his phone.
That's too easy. I pick up your phone.
Throw back to my old spot, Harry. Over there.
Jesus Christ.
Oh.
Take that.
Can you get me a pina colada, please? Can I have a celebratory pina colada? Well, that was cruise ship hide and seek. I think the seekers got a little triggered by the end.
You know what that shows? That they are weak. They are weak, and they are.
Harry, you betrayed them.
Oh no!
You can't switch sides.
No. They are weak-minded, and they are not unbothered. What's the word? Lazy. They couldn't even come and find us. They sent you to go and get us to go on the bridge. Outrageous.